Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to make a private server in Roblox. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to create your private server. Go to your Roblox and make sure to sign into your Roblox account. And once you are in your homepage, now select a game where you want to create a private server. Open the game. Once you are in the game page, here select servers, and here you will get this option, create private server. And this game provide free private server, so I don't need to pay any Robux to create a server. But if I open another game page, and here if I go to the blocks for servers option, and here we can see to create a private server I have to pay 200 Robux. So let's create a free server here. All you have to need, enter here the server name and click on buy now. And I've successfully created my server. As you can see, here's my server has been opened. And now you can enable or disable allow joining to your server from here. You can enable friends allow to join your server. You can also generate a private server link from here. And to find out all of your created private server, click on this menu icon at the top left and click on inventory. Here scroll down and hover over on private servers and click on my private servers. And here you will get all of your created private servers. So this is how we can make a private server in Roblox. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.